Divisibility rules. Divisibility rules for 2, 5 and 10. Children, today we are going to see divisibility test of 2, then divisibility test of 5 and divisibility test of 10. Let us start all the rules of 2, 5 and 10. First we will see divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at one's place. Now children, if you see the numbers, you can see at the units place we will get 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So all the numbers are divisible by 2. Now there is another method. If the question is like check the given numbers whether it is divisible by 2. Suppose the two given numbers are 95 and 102. Then first step we have to check whether the number is even. From these two numbers we got 102 is the even number, and that's why it is divisible by 2, because all the even numbers are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at its ones place. That's why all even numbers are divisible by 2. If we think about 95, 95 is the odd number, and odd numbers are not having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at units place. That's why 95 is not divisible by 2. Now children, what do you mean by divisible by 2? For that, we need to divide the number by 2, and if we get remainder 0, then that number is divisible by 2. This is very important condition. All the time we have to see whether the remainder is 0 or not. Now let us consider for 95. If we divide 95 by 2, then we will get the remainder 1, and which is not equal to 0. That's why 95 is not divisible by 2. I hope children divisibility test of 2 is clear to you. Let us see now next divisibility test by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 and 5 at its units place or ones place. We can see in the numbers 5 and 0 we are getting at ones place. That's why both the numbers are divisible by 5. Now suppose the question is like given numbers, you have to check the divisibility test of 5. Suppose we are having two numbers, that is 75 and 72. So in 75, ones place digit is 5. That means this number is divisible by 5. If you divide 75 by 5, you will get remainder 0. Now 72 is having 2 at ones place, and that's why this number is not divisible by 5. Again here, if you divide 72 by 5, you will not get remainder 0. So it is not divisible by 5. But in 75 you will get remainder 0, and that's why it is divisible by 5. Let us see next divisibility test by 10. In this, a number is divisible by 10 if it has 0 at its ones place. You can see in the numbers, both the numbers are having 0 at units place. That's why both the numbers are divisible by 10. That means if you divide this number by 10, you will get remainder 0. Let us consider two numbers, small numbers, 30 and 32. Now in 30 you are having 0 at units place, that's why this number is divisible by 10. If you divide 30 by 10, you will get remainder 0 because 10 3s are 30. But in 32, 2 is at units place, that's why it is not divisible by 10. If you divide 32 by 10, you will get remainder 2, not equal to 0. That's why 32 is not divisible by 10. I hope children everything is clear to you. Thank you.